biggest focus is moving Maywood forward together. That's my hashtag on everything. So in thinking about truly moving a community forward in a collaborative and partnering way, West40, with building this facility, has opened up so many opportunities for that. Maywood is going through a transformation. This is one of those components of truly reimagining Maywood. So even when we think of new businesses that are coming into the space, a renovation like this sets the tone of this is what we're looking for in Maywood, and this facility represents that as a thought process. We partner a lot with over 100 different non-for-profits that cannot wait to see this space, because everyone's always looking for a space to meet and gather and convene, and this venue and the spirit within this facility breeds productivity. And looking at the heart-to-heart store, making sure that we have more resources available to the different families that West40 is serving. We have different partnerships and different collaborators that we have that we can bring to the table to provide more resources to those families that are in need. To be a good neighbor and be a good steward, I think West40's already done it with this renovation. West40, just by having the space available and being willing to share it and being willing to share thought process, knowledge partners, it's already here. It just has to go into hyperdrive, and I look forward to pushing the button. West40 doesn't even realize how much partnership they're about to buckle up for on this ride. Is exciting for me.